Morning, June the 14th, 2024, Flag Day. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take magnum inverter, right, 2000 watt pure sine wave, and install it in where the old reliable Zantrex 458 is, because this is a non-sinusoidal wave. This is a modified sine wave, and it's not good. We'll put you on pause. Well, no, it's not good for inductive motors, refrigerators, hair dryers, drills. Okay, that one is the Magnum Pure Sine Wave, the white box. All right, so what we got to do to get it out of here, some basic tools. Okay, one, you need a 14 millimeter. That'll take these bolts off, positive, negative. And what I did with the positive, I wrapped it just in case. You never know, right? And there's your negative. All right. And then what holds it down is the 5/16. Oh, we got the light shining the wrong way. I'm sorry about that. Oh, 3/8. 3/8 holds it down right here. Two on each side. It looks like self-tapping screws. Yes, they were. Okay. Now you have to get the positive negative cover off first before you get them cables off. They're just common number 2 Phillips. Okay, that'll do that. Then you got a ground, external ground, that's right here. Hold on. Sorry about moving you around. That's the way it is. It's just me. I don't have no photographer crew here. All right, right here. You got to put that on, and it's got to ground to the frame. Okay, right here. See, right there it is. It's grounded to the frame. All right, that is a 3/16 Allen. Let me see. Yep. There you go. 3/16. Alright, so those are the tools you need. I use pliers too, because some of the wires are stiff. Alright, so this is ACM that's coming in from the 50 amp shore reel power, right? And this is going out to your fuse box. Well, AC out, AC in. That's the pass-through we're talking about, right? It looks like a miniature transfer switch is built in. So the other one you had was a remote, which is a gray like telephone cable, RJ11 111 or something, TSC, temperature of the battery. So let me show you where they're at. All right, see, gray is the remote, and the other one down there somewhere. A little dark in here, isn't it? All right, there's the black. All right, now that's pretty much it, getting it out. I'll make a video of the installation of that. So remember, folks, if you're putting your residential refrigerators in, you have to have a pure sine wave. A lot of you got these older RVs. I'm tired of the propane electric refrigerator, the nor cold, no cold. I've had mine, it's 20-some years old, 24, still working, folks. You got to take them out, clean them up a little bit, put them back in, like anything. But if you want to put a residential in, don't forget pure sine wave. This is what you got to do. If not, you're going to burn it up. It might last 2-3 years, 4, 5. It depends how much you use it. These folks here, they go, he's a waterman. He's a crabber, fisherman. And he gets out of here and goes down to Florida 3, 4, sometimes, I don't know, maybe 5 months. I might be wrong, but he goes all over down there. So he uses this a lot. He burnt up one of his refrigerators. I don't know if he installed it or somebody else, but they didn't tell him that it needed a pure sine wave. All right, thanks, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This will be video 1. There'll be a video 2 of the installation. And then I'll go over the ARC50, which is the control panel for the Magnum. All right, it's a different setup there. Does a lot of stuff. Thank you very much. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Test, not guess.